Okay, I've just received a delivery of the Tesla Model S headlights from an eBay seller called PartsLink, and I'm going to do an unboxing. They have two different versions online. They've got some new ones that are supposed to be perfect and ready to install. These are the ones they call slightly damaged, so I will see what is damaged about them. They said there might be some scratches or broken mounts, so we'll see what we've got. Okay, those were packaged pretty well. And some smaller boxes inside the bigger box. Let's get these open. Okay, again, I'm very impressed with the way they were packaged. Now all this plastic needs to come off. Well, there's even a film over top of the lens, so they did a very good job packing these. I'm actually going to put this right back on after I inspect it. So I don't see any scratches on the lens, so I'm going to say that the front of the lens is perfect. Now I'm going to go look at the mounts. That mount there is okay. The wire connector seems to be in good condition. The mounts over here are okay. Snaps all look complete. I think right here there's a mount that's broken. So that's one that I'll have to look at some images, see what that mount looks like, and see if I can rebuild it. This does look pretty much brand new. There's no dirt or dust on it, as you would expect, you know, from something that has been around for a while. I see no version number sticker on it, so I'm not sure if these are knockoffs or what. But overall, I'm very happy with this. I do see some scratches on this. Right here, there's some scratches on this notch. Other than that, this one looks very nice. Let's go take a look at the other one. All right, another very well packed light. Alright, this one I'm not going to bother taking the film off of here, but the front of the lens looks perfect. Again, most of the brackets look intact. I think right here is one that's broken. And everything else looks okay on this. This looks in perfectly good shape, with the exception of that one tab. Also on the bottom here, there's some scratches, but still, everything is in place. So that's my unboxing.